Hello everyone, we have a picture to edit. So let's use the curve on it and then make a structure here. Make that design. So make it done here. Then use the other adjustment tools including the hue and apply some saturation lightness over it. Make a selection to add some filters. Let's upscale and the length here.